guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, we're going to try to restore a 42mm Series 1 Apple Watch with stainless steel sapphire crystal ceramic back. So what's wrong with this iWatch? So as you can see, bloated na yung battery niya. So we'll try to have it fixed. So sa wholesale market, nandito rin yung mga repair shop. So let's go guys! It's still a little early, so marami pang shops yung sarado. Pero the repair shops, meron na rin open. Hindi na siya nahirapan mag-open ng screen kasi nakaangat na siya due to bloated battery. So, you can see, there you go. Lobo na yung battery niya. That's what we're gonna change. And then, yung flex ng 3D touch, naputol din siya. Bale si Kuya, highly recommended siya para gumawa ng iWatch. Nung technician ko ng phones, sa kanya ako ni-refer for repair ng iWatch. All in all, pag-change ng battery and nung flex, it took him less than 8 minutes para matapos lahat. So, there you go guys. Putol na yung flex. So, kuha siya ng battery and magtutry siya sa iba niyang stock ng iWatch kung merong available na original na flex. So, ayun, kuha lang siya ng flex for the 3D touch. And then, install. Then, the battery. So, ayun guys. Lahat ng parts, pwedeng makuha dito sa Shenzhen. And sila na rin nagkakabit for a very minimum price. So, ayun. So, yan yung papalitan. So, yan. Ini-install niya na yung bagong battery. There you go. Hindi na siya bloated. Sobrang galing and mabilis lang. So, yan yung bagong flex. Sorry, pangit yung boses. Kagagaling lang sa sipon and ubo. Flu season. That's why. Pardon my voice, guys. Thank you. And naka-portrait yung video kasi phone lang yung gamit. And pinakiusapan ko lang si Kuya na i-film ko yung process niya. And mabuti na lang pumayag din siya. Thank you guys. And guys, please don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe. Thank you. we go. I-fix na yung flex. And there. Sobrang mabilis lang talaga yung paggawa nila, guys. As in. Yeah, there. Isi-screw back na siya. And then, yung battery na bago. Then next, yung glue para sa screen so that hindi siya matanggal, and waterproofing. Although, hindi mo naman siya gagamitan na for swimming or ano. Pero at least ma-protect siya pag umuulan na gamit-gamit mo yung watch. So, glue din yung battery in place. There. And then, sa sides, glue din siya. Na fit. Although, maganda talaga yung fit niya kasi gamit pa rin naman yung original na LCD. So, yeah. Power on na yung watch. And dililinis na lang yung mga excess na glue. Done. All fixed. We'll leave it for... Guys, sobrang daming iWatch dito na mabibili. Slightly used. This one is a Series 1 iWatch. And it's around $100. Everything's working, and rest assured there's warranty. And every problem naman pwede nilang ma-fix or palitan nila ng bago if you find it defective. iWatch Series 1 to 4 available. You can choose and test it out all you want. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Till the next video. Bye, guys.